Today I cook some breakfast, you know, my people. Look what I go in the kitchen. Normal setting, yeah. Regular day. I go in and put the regular day setting, yeah. I could flip the view. Just a join the channel. Yes, some people. Out here and some breakfast. See if this can go higher. Yeah, man, a regular day, man. Breakfast settings. You see Vinca, yeah? People, you call this one Vinca. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on my window ledge and let it get some sun. So I soon show you when I put it on my window ledge. Subscribe. Let me see the next one here. Yeah, and this one you call cactus. Okay? Cactus, not the club. It's a plant. Cactus. Yeah, not the strip club. This plant is cactus. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on my window ledge too. Let it get some sun. Okay, I just step on this one and crush it out. But it come back perfect. Yeah, it's gonna grow big like a basketball. Stay tuned for the process. Gonna put it in the sun. Yeah, so I give fried dumpling a little flip, you know. See what I go on. Yeah, if you just joining live, please hit subscribe and like up the live, okay? For the algorithm. Yeah. Welcome everyone. Stay tuned. Okay, let me put away the weed so you guys can see it better. Some sugar dumpling. So I'm gonna make it get bigger now. See, get bigger now. Make it get more bigger. People, I learned this style from my mother when I was a little boy. See, now it get bigger. Dumpling and burn up. Burn up. Yeah, right. No. Yes, subscribe to the channel, like up the video, share up the live. Journey to 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch out. Peace. Oh, somebody in the chat. Welcome. Welcome, Jaden. Respect. Yeah, I'm gonna make a next one. Just like that. Get it bigger now. Yeah, just like that. Got that. Alright, look at that now. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. If you're just joining the live, I'm making some fried dumpling. Yeah, it's starting to get bigger. Yeah, thanks for the like, thanks for the like. Look at that. People hot. Okay, now we're gonna take a little sample. Alright, look at that, guys. Okay, it's so crispy. And a brown texture right there. See? See? So yummy delicious. Well fried. Right there, look at it. Crispy. Super crispy. Eat a little turn now. Look at that. Golden brown, that's what we're looking for. People, make sure you share up the live and like up the live. Also, subscribe. Yeah. People, and taste it. People, so yummy delicious. Gotcha. Okay, now I'm going to show you my flaws. Got that. See? Yeah, this one here is a vinca. So now I keep it in the sun for about 3 hours. Yeah, it's beautiful, don't? If it's beautiful, comment and say beautiful. Yeah, and this one here is a baby cactus. So I'm just here giving it some sun. Meantime, cook some breakfast over there. Yeah, beautiful. Keep it right there. Come on. Then go and get some sun. Okay? People share up life. Just people thumbs up. It's like a biscuit, people. People can't stop taste it. I back short.
wanna start watching? Find someone cook this. You said we're gonna kick it over. Alright. What's up? Ah! Did you open the fridge? Yeah? Yes. Yeah.
Eva, mount a fly. Supposed to pitch on them when I'm gone. Do you see the fly? I have to make it work, you know, people. Anywhere, anything, or anywhere, anything. Yes, people, look at that. Yeah, man, yeah, me delicious. The really I do. But I really I do my stove. Yes, people, me there out of a once can fish. Yeah. Come on, get it fry up. Yeah. The place smells so nice. Yo. People, you hear me this show? Can text her here. Look at that. People, I la pop. La pop, pop. People, when I eat this canfish, I like to pick out this bone. Yeah, I don't like to eat this bone. I don't pick them out. So I'm gonna pick them out and give the pop up. Okay, I know I don't pick out the bone. Some of this, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna add a little sauce, a little season. Right? Just like that. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. Alright. Can you smell that? Perfect. So now I'm just break up the dumpling. See? Look at that. Crunchy. All that them canned fish fully fried up. Yeah, so we're gonna get some tea on the fire now. Now look at that. Yes, the people look at it. Fully up. Yeah, look at it right here. See? It's so beautiful. Yeah. Can't see it now. Alright. Let me sample it now. Right here. Yeah, look at that. People, words can't explain. Let's go again. Yeah. People, so we got a whole of scotch bonnet pepper here. I'm gonna leave that for last. Let's go again. Look at that right there. And taste this. Let's go again. Look at that right here. Can you see the steam come off of it? Yeah. Steam off of the dumpling, steam off of the canned fish. 5-star setting, people. Yeah, man. No hotel, no got nothing over me. Yeah. Go again now. Hmm? People, make sure you subscribe to the live if you want to see more of these kind of cooking and eating. Yeah. Share up the live, subscribe. One more time. I'm gonna leave you now. I'm gonna make some tea now. Some more coming up shortly. More coming up right now. Peace.